There we go, it arrived, it reached our shore finally, at last. Open up the migration floodgates. The Syrian guy, refugees, baby, please, arrived. Guess where? You can read, it is Swedish. Let me call Thor of Asgard to translate for me. I have absolutely no idea. I didn't bother with Google Translate, actually I did. Thing is, they're basically importing this guy. He's already in Sweden. Right, so his gains are absolutely Stockholm. Thing is, he's complaining, bro. He's starting to lose all his gains. He's like, look, bro, I'm being depleted, bro. Next thing you know, the Swedish ladies, baby, please, went to the supermarket to buy some oil for him, right? He was all happy, so he joined his family later, and they were doing the math, how many cc's he's gonna have for tonight. But overall, these craziness, why do you guys import this kind of stuff? Does he need help? Seriously, with all due respect, I love, the fact that, Germany, whatever, they have their human side, they're helping the refugees, kids and women and, all people who are suffering, yes. But at least if you import somebody like an adult male, like this one, freaking synthol freak injecting, he will steal all your oils. What's wrong with you guys, freaking Viking descendants? Right? You're looking for a genetic shift? That what you're looking for? Anyway, it is in your shore now. I mean, what on earth your migration freaking minister or services are doing? Don't you check? Don't you filter people who are seeking asylum in your country? I mean, this guy is not a refugee. He stole the oil, actually. He stole all the oil from Syria and he came to you and his bro, no, I have no more oil. The hell is this? Seriously? God bless you all. But you asked for it. Now it reached Europe shores. And guess what, Bob? I'll see if we got some in Canada. By God, I never saw a synthol guy yet in Canada. Not as yet, but we never know. Maybe they will reach our shore quite soon. Until then, this video is absolutely not saluted. You freaking Scandinavian are importing synthol oil on a daily level of salute. Odinson of Asgard. That's what's up.